Happy is the man who acquires the habit of reading when he is young. He has secured a lifelong source of pleasure, instruction, and inspiration. Reading is one of the most effective means by which he acquires knowledge, so long as he he has his beloved books. He need never feel lonely. He always has a pleasant occupation of leisure moments. He possesses wealth in the form of books more precious than gold and silver. In other words, it is his treasury full of knowledge and noble thoughts. Reading habit provides many blessings for the reader. His love for books and reading builds up his personality and career. It not only reveals the facts to which our eyes have never opened before, but also teaches us how to think and act. As we need food for the body, we must have some kind of reading for the mind. Poor indeed is the man who does not read, and empty is his life. Reading good books is one of the most useful habits. Good reading is a must for one who desires perfection. Reading makes a full man, but good reading a gentleman. A very attractive aspect of Nehru's personality was his love for books and reading. Though his life was full of activities, he found time for reading and his mind was at home in the company of books. There are number of books on different topics, and we can choose which books we should read and which we should not according to our taste. Books are available on travel, history, and science, which we ought to read. They will give us not only pleasure but an education. Books are the faithful of friends. Our friends may change, but our books are always there waiting to talk to us. They are never cross or unwilling to converse as our friends sometimes are. No wonder a reader becomes a book lover